exclusive unboxing. We are going to unbox the LOL Surprise Advent Calendar for this year 2020. I have my helper here and she's gonna help me unbox 25 surprises. I am so excited, friends. It says unbox looks for every day. I'm just so excited to meet her. Isn't she so cute, guys? Like, let me zoom in. Like, look at her heart on her cheek. Her outfit is so sparkly and pretty. Like, she's just so cute. Her hair is 2 different colors. How much more cuter can you get than that? And look, just look at the boxing, guys. The handle is clear, which I love. The stripes.
Like Harley Quinn.
You think she looks like Harley Quinn?
Yes.
Oh, I think so too. The star. Hey, friends. Wow, this is nice. Look at everything we got up here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Directions. Oh, this is lovely. It says me first. Of course, we're gonna do that
Look
first.
on the sides. On the sides of the box.
My helper says there's numbers on the sides of the box
To
Ooh.
open.
Ooh, wow. So there's numbering on the sides, which is really, really good.
I guess that's where you open the stuff.
Okay. I'm gonna see about the other side. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show you all this. Oh, yes. Okay. So there's plenty of numbers.
There's something right here.
Okay. Definitely there's something in the heart. Let's zoom in, put it right there. And then up here, guys, there are something up here to open. Friends, I just wanted to show you how it is when you first unbox. It's meant to be pulled up like this. And then you have like another tier under here. You pull that up. And then obviously the main tier section down here. But you're going to pull it up and everything comes out. Kind of like a pop out. Almost like how a jokester or a jester would pop out of a cake. Same thing, like surprise, and it pops out of the cake. I just wanted to show you guys the full view of it, how it's supposed to look when you're unboxing. Of course, you can do what you like, but we were just trying to show you that quick detail about it for unboxing purposes and just presentation. The presentation on this thing is magnificent. Gorgeous and beautiful, okay? Oh, I love it. Open it up. Let's see what we get.
A good girl. It's so.
Ooh, look at your paper. Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh, I really like her hair.
She's so pretty.
I like the pastel in her hair. It's kind of like movable.
Ooh, yeah, you guys, her hair is pretty movable for it to be pigtails this long. I'm going to show everybody, zoom in on this. Isn't this pretty? Ah, so nice. Look at the front. I'm going to show you guys the back. Oh my gosh, let me zoom in on her hair, guys. Isn't it so pretty? They put a gold rubber bands in the 2 ponytails. My helper talked about how her hair is purple down the middle, and then it is pink and blue. And I guess this kind of goes with her name.
And then her hair, it's like going lighter as at the
Oh,
ends.
yeah, like an ombre. Very, very cute.
Like, she looks like a Joker.
She looks like a Joker, yep. That's why I said, like the jester back in the medieval days, stuff like that. That's why I said the print on the outside of the box reminded me of that. She is just so cute. Look at her little slash in her eyebrows, guys. Her heart in her face. Adorable. She is pretty. Okay, helper. See, that's why I'm glad I have my helper with me to help me. Number 2. Ooh, guys, number 2. So pretty. Oh, look at the detail. Look how sparkly it is with the gold piping. You guys cannot tell me this is not cute. Adorable. This is pretty, guys. Okay.
Let's find number 3.
Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
Number 3. Okay, they really got these. Ooh, look at that. It's like a little, I'd say it's like a swimsuit bottom.
I like it.
I like it too. I just love the sparkly.
I just don't like that the glitter makes it a bit darker. The pink for the pink. The pink is a bit darker.
I think it's pretty like this. So we're on number 4.
You can open that.
You want me to open
Yes.
it? Oh my gosh, you guys, my helper's letting me open one thing. I feel so happy. Oh my gosh, what is it? What is it, guys? Oh, shoes. Oh, cute. Different color boots. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Okay, number 5. Helper's going to open it up.
bag.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh!
And I thought these were kitty ears.
What is it? Oh, it's a little bag. So pretty,
I like
friends.
this. The stripes around them.
Oh, my helper says she likes the stripes. I like the square and the star. Definitely in keeping with the theme. It's a little backpack purse. Oh, so cute. Look at this glitter and this shine, guys. This is adorable. And I don't have any glitter coming off in my hands either. Like, this is nice.
6 is on.
Ooh, 6 is here. Okay. Let's see if they can see it. 6 is all the way over here. Look how it has the diamonds like the jester and then the little stars at the bottom. And it is sparkly at the top, guys. Like black sparkly. This is nice. Okay, friends, number 7. Need help or you got it? Helper is gonna get number 7. They have basically, Trickster has hidden all her surprises all over this box. This is really lovely, guys. Really, really cute. I love the overall look. Reminds me of Infinity Queen's overall look. And it's a one piece, guys. A one piece, so you don't have to worry about losing the pieces to it. Very cute. For number 8.
It's right here.
Okay.
You want to open it?
It's okay, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Number 8. I'm gonna just hold it steady so we don't shake anything.
We got shoes.
More shoes? A whole nother outfit? Okay, look, yeah, let's put it up there, show everybody. Ooh, these are cute. Some little, like, some more boots. White space boots slash Spice Girl esque black glitter, and I think that it would go well with this outfit.
It does.
I think it goes really nice with this. Like that is those.
Except for this little purple.
It's still cute. I think this goes way good together, guys. What do you guys think? Cute? Very pretty. 9. Okay.
I like it.
This is what I opened on 9. It looks like a little shorts romper. Very cute to me. It goes directly with her little lace-up shoes that she has. Very cute. Stars and stripes. I like this. Oh, I like this because she is the boss, okay? We are the boss. You can't tell us nothing. I like this. Girl power. I love it. On the 11th day, we would open. You open up.
I like the
shorts to go with the boss. And let me put it on here so you guys can get a good visual. This. Complete the set. 12th day. It's cute multicolored jacket. I'm guessing it has a piece to go with it. Ooh, the 13th. This could possibly work. If not, you could pair it with some pants or split the top and bottom up. But these two could possibly. 14 is right there. Be careful. I'll hold it up for you.
Thank you.
The 14 is right there on the back. Cute. Very lovely. Very nice. I really like the bunny slippers and socks. I just think that's so cute. Okay, friends, we're gonna go to 15 now. I'm gonna get 15 is down here. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, I like it.
This definitely goes with the slippers. Is it nice?
I like the robe.
You like the robe? Oh, the slippers definitely go with this.
Yes. I thought it goes with this too.
Yeah, it can go with either or, but these slippers definitely go with this robe. I think that's definitely the plan when Laura was designing this.
16 is right here.
Okay, my helper is getting 16 out. Let me hold this down.
Seems to be something wrapped.
Ooh, yeah, unwrap it. Hold on. Unwrap it right here so they can see. Let's see what this is. What is it? Ooh, cute. I mean, she's probably hungry. At first I thought it was a ring, but then I was just like, it's way.
Why would someone have a ring pop as a ring?
I think it was way too. Now she's hungry, And Trixta's favorite food, as we can see.
It matches their color theme.
Right.
She
It's
probably
a
made it by
Pop-Tart.
herself.
That's cute. The 17th day of the Advent calendar. This is really, really nice, guys. This is a really nice placement.
See, we have a dress.
Ooh.
It's like a pajama.
Ah, zoom in. It says we have mad love for pizza, which we do in this house, right?
Yes.
Yes, mad love for pizza. It's a one piece. This dress is so cute. I think that this is the first OOTD where I've loved every single thing.
18 isn't right.
Is it? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna let you get it because it's all the way over there. Gladiator sandals, guys?
I like how there's like air in between the. I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Oh my gosh, the fact that they designed her some gladiator sandals. Hold on, let me get a better. I want you guys to really understand how pretty this is. This is cute. I cannot wait to show the different looks because I'm going to put her in every outfit and I'm going to show it at the end of this. Also, any color changes. Stay tuned, guys, because it'll be after we get done unboxing. What's the next one?
19. You can open it.
Okay, 19.
I think it matches with the. It's meant for.
Oh, it definitely goes with the gladiator shoes.
Yes.
Let me see. So all we need is like
And then put it on the mannequin.
all we need is a top. Gladiator shoes
And probably on number 2.
with a gold chain belt. Like, this is pretty. Yeah, this is definitely supposed to match, guys. Cute.
I bet number 20 will have.
Okay, the 20th day. Yeah, we're looking. Okay, we're hoping. She's hoping that the 20th has the top.
And
Let's see what we get.
it does.
Does? Ooh, this is the 20th. The top, it's a little like, I'll take this out. The 20th day has a cute little, I guess I want to call this a camisole top. Very cute. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a plaid or maybe a fishnet mimicking, but it's pretty, guys. Real cute, real pretty. All right, next.
Number 21 is right here.
Number 21. You want me?
I like it.
Oh, we gotta try these on right now. I want to see her with these on. Cute. Hold on, guys. Let me get her glasses in the little hook thing. And 21 is the glasses. Really cute. Very pretty. I just love her.
It changes the whole the Joker theme a lot.
But I like her how her hair with it. It makes her look cute and smart. So pretty. Like a little science girl. 22. Okay, 22 is down here. Oh, I got a paper.
It must be like an accessory. I like that accessory.
I love the little paper instead of the plastic.
I
Ooh.
think it's a necklace.
Ah, what do you guys think? It's nice, right? A little choke.
Really small,
Oh, it's
so you don't
really-
want to lose it.
Or it's really tiny. 23.
It's a
Ooh.
It's a swimsuit.
Now this goes with those gladiator sandals for real too. Isn't that so cute, guys? Ah, adorable. Look at the back. This is cute. She got a little swimboard. It is all the way over
It's
here.
another thing wrapped in.
Ooh, another thing wrapped in paper, not plastic. We want to preserve the earth. Hold on. What is it? Ooh, you guys! 2 bangle bracelets. Those are cute, and they have little studs on them. Very cool. I'm gonna put these on Trixta now because I feel like we'll lose them.
Yes.
Trixta, you can get your bangles now. Like, they're so tiny that we definitely. This is cute. Look at her bangles, guys. Very cute. Okay.
Oh, 25 is right here. I'll let you know.
Oh, she's gonna let me do 25, guys. I feel so happy to do 25.
And then we can open the heart.
Oh yeah, then we need to open the heart. 25 is over here.
Let's see what we get. Oh, it's a skirt right there.
All right.
Oh.
25. It's not that hard to open, guys. I'm just trying to preserve my packaging, so I don't want to mess it up. Ooh,
Oh, it's
25.
like a nighttime gown, I think.
I think this is a dress.
Oh.
And it can definitely go with those gold gladiator sandals.
There's 3 outfits for the gladiator sandals.
Yeah, I think this definitely goes.
I really like them.
I like all this stuff. Like, I wasn't expecting a lot of this to be in here, and I'm really amazed. This is pretty. All this stuff is gorgeous, guys. We're gonna try to figure out how to open this heart. Hold on, I'm trying to unzip it. Oh, cute. You could also do it down the middle if you.
Your heartbreaker.
Oh, so cute.
It's a little sticker, I think.
Is it a sticker?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Definitely pull it. Hold on. I'm gonna leave it. The sticker is sticking to the part. Hold on, let me smooth this down. Okay. The heart had a nice little sticker on the inside. Very sweet, very cute. This is definitely a sticker. And it says her name, which is Trickster BB, right here for everybody to see. And she's so cute. This is just really.
It's like a card. With
Yeah,
like
it's almost like a trading card. Oh, she spits water. She spits water out. Well, she definitely spits. So she spits her water out, which I thought all of them did.